adwuma e wo ha se ni koko enti nkola no bi ho no anya ku adwuma anya no talent bi kura utimi se na akachire enti football na e de baye no amankofo a diversify economy no amankofo any age say ye de ha say eba abeye sports hub basically in Western region and in Ghana per se nti aboye very very well positively.
Okay. Yeah, sure. Say my teams be aba na factory and as factory clubs and company clubs. Say kasepa na wom no say we film oboase Goldfields and as Ashanti Gold. Only Gold Stars say mu na mukra Frankano. Opanyin die na wo yesrum ko a ebema Samatex dwumedi ombedi ne Ghana League nim agina football. Na enkoye se de enei Ghana can Dumas Joantex obo omudi a omuni akutex obi anim ba bi omwo
elokra winia de meye ne stronko say on say bibia be ye ya it depends on the quality of the human resource nipa ne de ye enye sika na se bi de ye I'm not a football administrator. I just have a passion. I'm a football. Until I've brought people who know football and a major more. I only play an advisory role in making sure say me aye jumano. Because social media have my core responsibility. Send you the kankai no. In me jumana me. I just have the passion for it. So I am continuously investing in the human resource. Me aye football no jumani. I just put up the strategic plan. They give their input, and then it's run. What makes it different is, I run the football on corporate governance. And so most of these football teams, we are just passion. But I've employed full-time personnel. I'm investing in them. I'm even going to organize a management training a workshop. Team building, I'm outside. Friend is saying the main football business, professionally. Team. So I'm focusing on the human resource aspect because that is the only thing that can turn and sustain this football club.
Opanyu kasa ye de Juma udin Summer Boy ye pese ye the ultimate goal. Edi ankasa na nsenchene Samatex Timber Company epe e Ghana football.
Sompa
bepese obi a wo Ghana bia na no hwe de esi adwaya say a typical example wo hwe the youth talents e wo ha say kofo bebre o ho a omunni bibia obi obe pija omo or they don't have the platform say be betimi am akọ baby. There are so many talents here enti the bepese me ye say I create a platform for all the youth, irrespective of your talent. You are saying, Mastatic Golf Academy, or say, it's not only football. Send your beya, Nkolano, or the youth now, Sebio, or Antimianku school, no more talent in sports, We can help them and give them the necessary platform. Ghana football, and even outside. Because, Sebio football, BBI, is worldwide. Everybody plays football. Enti so bi anya kwanya mpo e wo Ghana league mu a how can the person get outside? He needs help. Enti apart from the business aspect, it is also to help the omo asebio omuni obi a obepushi omo no. Entina many abre say you have to unearth this talent. Abeboa na sa social vices and no be hwe nkola bi o ho or talent no start no no start drugs na armed robbery any sa no money na ye pese you diversify your economy no bia nso a the open no wenya. And I've realized sports is very very good when people are engaged and they take it as a profession. Sebio be minimize social vices again we hear some now boy as a community apart from koko na wa say no e betimi aboa enso ama socio economic wise adwuma bebre aba ha say no ka say Nkofo start ACC hotels. Just the fact that say yes, you qualify. Their businesses are going to expand, and it is all going to help develop the Samurai Boy economy.
In football, no, your clubs need be about for their president, bankroller, no to the bottom no this him and they odia we your friend factory owned clubs and our company owned clubs odama but modiana ownership situation our Ghana football mono they he and now you say ye in the year a bit me aboama in football na kwa animu company owned clubs see and now back for bankroller na onward in him.
Being said that name the ownership structure Ghana football. I have to be very frank. I'm quite ignorant about it. But the MFI say when the football structures are run on corporate governance, because we share a Juma say one running a professional on corporate governance structures. You have to have a good board who are functioning, who are not interfering in management decisions. You have to have a management who are not interfering in technical decisions. Because Obi in a Juma. In most of the cases here, most of these companies, Oma collapsing not just because of financials, but the interferences is not run professionally. And most of these teams echo down. It is to be a bankroller. If he's even the owner of the team, I think they should allow corporate structures to work. Get professionals. You are just supposed to put in money. Allow the people who are supposed to do the work do it. Unfortunately, in Ghana, most of the football teams, na bankroll and only decided player also. Only decided former even the formation coaching also. These are some of the things. If you say, your football no echo form. Irrespective of the ownership, it must be run professionally, like any other institution, professional institution.
Opinion come there. Adolfo more Samra boy Awin and I'm feeling our more ready and Juma Bay na would no Samra boy opesa to the Maria singing who stadium yeah whatever league so near Nihon Como.
But they best started about the infrastructure. Yes, first Nanka you only one field that they bought a competitive match and at the same time training. This year, there were 2 pitches, one for training and one for competitive match. Plans are also far advanced. One AstroTurf because you know natural grass. Baby, a friend is saying players in the first night 26 bedroom hostel. This year, me extended 36 with the 10 more rooms to come. Or more. Ultramodern gym, or more dining hall, more TV room, a lecture hall. Just still be coaching the person.
3.1.
All right, you're best corner, ya pomodena Diana Seno, ya dinkomo, and over said a name is corner, the Tenehana, and with the Yipa, Dianche, Bishop near Apostle Bessan Sumna, Mabomodi Timia Tuaso, Tiuruaniche Mosama, Tesomasio Pipa, ye fair reaching Senchi Naniano, Edi dinkomo, Mouse Drona, Diomodiano, Timi Abomoka program no one. We are Felix Boatenano boy, incredible team by all standard, and no yet Dionosono, Timi Ereba, Ebabi Ramu, Ewa. Ti do na nani mo adwene o mo hwe mane makoyi pa Kwame Sam so etimi edi biaba era ma unse Freud Curtis Mark Wizi so de ne de na ba Michael Kuju Entry no so etimi de ne de na ba Wizi F Prince big out to Samurai Boy Governor era bomo de etimi edi emojis bi etimi ewura mani na mo na ebo mane makoyi kama pa etimi edi MI ti do na de o mo de ne ba enche ye be san akona apostle ma hwe na o mo de na to Kujo Asempa Furniture Works. I'm so proud to be a Kotoko fan because of the achievement from Kujo Asempa. Nedio de Eba Babi Ramun so Ewa Hanom Nonoa. Pomanema the Honorable Abedi Kwada Sukumase, Dr. Abedi Eki, Police in Nedrono. It's now a free bani and Kunedu Yadom time to shine since Asamwejan had a chance in the Black Stars for 17 good years. Batatu Folk and Toge Afede, the 14th. No team can hijack any player we want to sign. So all teams should watch out. Hi to Reverend Kamwa Kwajman of Crew from CACT. Abosto, what's happened? Yenko.
Esama Kwa Baba, sorry, Sompa TV ni Sompa 3.1. Na ye kasa earlier on no na ye bisa se si ama qualify aba Premier Division no ahomboa pen and amu ye infrastructure wise other facilities and logistics amu provide a ebema Samatex, I a more professional club like okay, you know, a corporate club, I work corporate image. All started say all can was some and unfortunately, ahomano a coy and departure so betting me a boy na one my own near mania who boy mu to actually usher yourself into the Premier League proper.
Yo, Minia, send me the kind of factor me humanity coy. Ya start here, you see 10 additional rooms. Abeka 26 bedroom host na ye wo. Uhwe stadium na you are starting major renovation. In fact, somebody me asuma mo nkofo no kra mo ma betwa hwa. It's going to be the only wood based stadium as so far minimum Ghana has say professionally made. A very fantastic. Enlarge a dressing room, media stand. And normal baby or say in terms of infrastructure. And now preparation so Safari Valley Resort, one of our sponsors. I'm going to host a pre-season. And if you are ever call a friend is Chibi Akoboy top 8.
Wow, that's very interesting. Now, earlier on, can assembly about how you apply corporate governance. Now, for the back from a corporate background, say me a CEO of a Premier Division club. Now me per sponsorship. A day na obe expect say me nye ansa na wo wahwe so obe boa me mpo a o aboa me.
You mean it starts from the coverage near the Ghana football team. No, I think the negativity is too much. And the media for we should give it a positive image. So yeah, it starts from basically the same administration, the FA administration, which Yanka Samson the game should be more transparent. The game should be it should be more transparent. You know, the moment I best started the negativity, abba game no and referee system, hooliganism, and it's no money in it gives you the negative image. You know, every company be a person or attaching to a football club and our sponsor he wants to see that there is honesty, there transparency in terms of corporate governance. It's run professionally. It may so be sponsorship. I'll look at all this because that is what is going to enhance a good corporate image. I will not like to sponsor a team. I would like to see transparency, good corporate governance, making sure the league in Ankasa Obono is it competitive, is it transparent? Because in Nakaho, and then Mino say, Omomuto Sebio in Yafri has a so Motis a Samatex football club. Mako involving me in any bribery scandal, hooliganism. It renders them a negative image. They will never continue to sponsor me. And these are some of the things that I'll look out for.
Now, my pacho, wage bill, mobile premium, wage bill, every month.
Sompa Sports.
What are we looking at in terms of your wage bill?
At the moment, you know, I'm saying any about 90% of our signings. And I'm yet to get the agreements, you know, from how do you call it? Business development manager. He made most of the negotiations. These are things that I don't interfere. And if you don't mind, at appropriate time, so I extend the transfer, and we are still working on some of them. But I will share it openly with all of you. But it cuts across a minimum of, I think, 1,000 Ghana cedis upwards. I mean, because most of the contracts are different. These are the individual players. Yes, our under 17 phobia, register or more. So it depends on individual contract. But I think by next week, or maybe a wage bill now, I can share it openly with you.
Now, my players no omo didi mo ni baby omo da no edien na mo yes ronko a motivated players maybe omo da maybe a nice atmosphere hotel a condition na we mo didi kama lives ne and nam papa bi dietitian a cancer mo di we edien ronko na mo ye eba sa nema mienu a ma de be ma players no ayom ye ma bobo na kwa mo Samatex.
Yo, the Edikan, once I say your hospital, I say, are 4 medical doctors. And one of them is permanently dedicated to the team. Into on the running medicals. He's also a dietitian. Into on the show, once you feed the players, I say 3 times a day. To on the show, a day more. And then as part of the management team, your human resource manager who takes the welfare of the workers. Make sure say alcohol or monsuo, the environment is so comfortable for the players. Until football, until we have a whole lot of professionals who takes care of from backroom staff, who takes care about the welfare of the players in terms of cooks, professional cooks. In terms of in terms of housing welfare, we have dedicated people who take care about it. Not even the team manager. Team manager needs to be focused on the players in the field.
That's it. Now, coach, yate ano worker, training ground, Olympics derby. One crowd and your coach still on catch almost a couple baby. But your ano worker situation as head coach at the same. Oye Juma Mama signing on how many years?
Oh, my signing on 2 years. I'm saying made it to Dakra about 10 days ago. Coach Anoka, a coach. He's appended his signature. If there is any litigation, I'm sure probably his lawyers will deal with it. So far as I know, he's my coach.
But now, mo believing in signing on fees. I can see, and I say, mo bet you player na keye kama. No bet mention no. I say, mo believing it. I say me batras na mo family 200,000 signing on fee. Mo be mama. Mo jitu mana mo de mo fuse be the way I'm operating. You don't believe in. I'm a player no. Mo tia na keye dan some times ka kese bi amano.
I think say it cuts across. Honestly, we are about on free transfer. It's only background about on free transfer. Definitely. The salary and then the transfer fee are different. When he's also coming from a club, it's again different negotiation because also my club unisika until definitely the salary no a back off form. Until we always keep a balance between the two, depending on a player and a contract, whether he's a free agent or he's coming from a club. So it varies.
Sompa 93.1.
Yeah, that was in your mission. Now, final words. One to supporters, to Samurai Boy for no, and then Ghanaians in general. And what Ghana, the Premier League, no, I say expecting from Samatex.
I catch Ghana phone in our more share our mutie Sompa TV. And we say Samurai Boy, I feel na yaba. League in we have come to stay. But all what they should expect is good football, good entertaining football, good technical football, and I can assure them we are going to entertain not only the opposing team Nomobano, but all the supporters. Thank you.
This is Nyamin Shroud. Say one ya a bread na Quenya no ni Sompa TV and Sompa 93.1 Edin Komwe.
Mr. Damasi, bye bye.
At your no your friend Richie Sinchin, hold on the MD de Masamate, Seneco, and in Kukudin Common. I say football no so one champion mempi for Bian who's a class to be more Juma, or Moyenne Ghana, no Dempa. Now it is in Ibima. Or man no mudino mo den we mo fu no but emeze kwan bi mo run the clubs no ene ne mo ye no Ghana ze nya wawa you know boys you this the team we pay oh na we ya fa no ko we pay we na we ya fa no ko na mo fia so mo hihwe mo de guna kwam no perfect one Tisama tezo ba mo fan che nanka I was up in perfect aid to join here from BBN Go Stars no so the FM but network on na ba community no when timi anjo no so mbrese bia de ne beba na ya hu BBN Go Stars so the shower on so no players in the pe okono na wa ba no ababo en komo enti what here bibri we sua na ma bibri we join here now we adwen channel about 0551 931 931 0551 931 931 0548 931 931 0548 931 931 boa na ne ma de da yeso no etimi edi ama yeti no ebehwe na yakosoni afo ba me pacho udian ni bebia akasafi
pacho ye fami edike because that's free chronom.
It came with you.
Papa, now, there are probably a couple of piano. The street and more than now, we do again. So, said they are free. Making on your message, maybe a tea and now, some boy from so, some say, when you know, no one will support to Timono. That they are Ghana, Timothy, and I have now, when you had the baby teams are more support. Because my boy will be anymore. But some support to make Gina. You think the players, Papa, I'm one of man and man. They became the economic station.
Ate, Mesomera see the came a patch or DNA baby Akasafi.
We are coming by the F-Pens to make a say after quite.
How is it meet you?
I mean, Papa, you better MD of Samatex Company Limited and the president of FC Samatex for insightful a message or the amount for. I must see I will be owning FC Samatex via who the project Air Force War FC Samatex. Baby, or volunteers, they will be the Yaba Senior League in India, will be all some about the support to FC Samatex. Nayenda management members in the war, and the Jumapa or more, and this attack could be made.
Antemerase, Bawizu, the other patrol, the baby Akasafi.
Hello, good afternoon.
Yes, sir.